Today, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I want to talk to you about the A-Series full metal roll and lock. We just installed it on this brand new Ford Raptor, and it's just a really good looking cover, very strong. I want to show you a few features on this if you like. As you can see, with the A-Series, it is a aluminum top. It's not their vinyl on top aluminum. It's got a very clean look. I want you to notice how well this matches the factory bed caps. They got the matte finish, absolutely gorgeous, looks terrific with this Ford Raptor. And it's a very strong cover because again, it's aluminum. So let's take a look inside here. Now besides the aluminum cover, see how nice that opens? I wonder if you can take a good look inside there and see how small that canister is. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way so we get a better look inside. One thing people like about the roll and lock, it has a very small canister. There's tons of space underneath there. So if you need to put something in there, you can do it. Now on this model, we also installed the roll and lock cargo manager, as you can see here. And what's nice about this one, this is made by Roll and Lock. This is made specifically for this cover. And unlike other dividers, this one can slide up and down. So it locks in different spots. It also comes with these great little bungee cords, so if you want to attach something to it, you can. Great clearance. As you can see, we put the new Bedrug XL mat in this truck, and this has plenty of clearance, so it goes right above it, doesn't touch it. It looks good. It's very, very functional. I mean, I tell you, if you got some groceries and stuff, and you want to put something in here, or you want to hold it in place, this one can do it for you. And of course, another nice benefit of the roll and lock is the ease how it closes. It closes, as you can see, very easily. Also, this works with, this has the step down tailgate on this, and the cover does work with that. Has no problem with it. Just a very nice cover, very durable. It comes with a nice 2-year warranty. Again, if we do the installation for you, we give you a full 1 year on the installation. Again, thank you very much. This is the Roll Lock A-Series, and we're Chris from C&H Auto Accessories.